prioritizing other roads that have been worse damaged as a result of the rain, rather than going with what obtained a year ago when we did the consultation. Remember, you haven't heard one thing I say, you know. Remember, I would prefer if you would give me the respect to listen to what I'm saying. It's a major point for me. And I'm saying, I'll repeat it again, that the scoping of the roads for Spark with the weather events.
Mr. Speaker. I must say, Mr. Speaker, that I'm very disturbed and grieved. It is totally out of character for a minister to speak on a statement of another minister. I have never seen this in the umpteen years I've been here. Totally breach of protocol for a minister to ask next minister a question in Parliament or to speak on an issue of another minister. Totally unacceptable and breach of protocol.
Minister Morgan, do you wish to respond?
I want to thank my colleague, Cabinet Minister, for raising those important